and it looks amazing, and we're very, very, very grateful. Yeah, it was brilliant. So work started, I think, a month before she was born, maybe a bit less, and I was quite anxious about the idea of dust and noise and things like that, but everyone was so kind, everything was really tidy. It was all explained to us what would happen at any time, when things were going to happen. It's like having friends around the house, you know, it's like, hiya.
So it was a great experience, so designing the loft for these guys. It was a great pleasure.